This is our sink in our kitchen area, kitchenette. And I wanted to ask you about something. It's a little trick that I learned, and see if anybody else does this. This is a bowl that I had just recently. It has oatmeal in the bottom of it. Could be a pan, could be a pot, which would have food in it. Sometimes that's crusted on and hard to get off. Sometimes the cat dishes, the food is really hard to get off. So what I do is I put a little bit of soap into the pan here, or in this case bowl, and then I just close the lid. And then as we go down the road, what I'm going to do is just let the agitation go ahead and take care of all the bad stuff that's sticking to the bowl or the pot or the pan. Seems to work every time. And that's just kind of a little trick that I learned a couple of years back when I first started out on the road for 6 months at a time. But hey, does anybody else do this?